In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini for stock analysis. Think of Gemini as a smart research assistant that can help you analyze stock trends, explain financial data, summarize the latest news, and even generate trading ideas. It's powerful, but remember, it's not a financial advisor. Use it to inform your research, not to replace your judgment. To begin, try a simple prompt. Type, "Analyze AAPL stock." Even better, be specific. Analyze Apple stock, including trend, risks, and future outlook. Gemini will typically return an overview of the recent price trend, notes on company performance, and key risks to watch. The more context you give, such as a time frame or what you care about, the more focused the response becomes. When you're looking at a chart, ask Gemini targeted questions to interpret what you see. Try, is this stock in an uptrend or downtrend? What are the support and resistance levels? Or is this a good entry point? Gemini will explain chart patterns and levels in plain language. Use those explanations as context. Entry points and risk levels still depend on your plan and tolerance for volatility. For fundamentals prompt, analyze Apple's financials, including revenue, profit, and growth. You'll often get revenue trends, profit margins, and commentary on growth potential. If you need more depth, ask Gemini to focus on the latest quarter or multi-year trends and request clear definitions so you understand each metric. News and sentiment are critical. Use, summarize latest news about Apple stock, or how will recent news affect this stock? Gemini can distill headlines and sentiment so you can quickly gauge potential catalysts or risks. Always check dates and sources to make sure the information is current. If you prefer technicals, ask about indicators such as RSI, moving averages, or MACD. For example, explain RSI for AAPL and whether it is overbought or oversold. You can also specify the time frame so the analysis matches your style. To turn insights into a plan, ask, create a simple trading strategy for this stock, or should I invest short-term or long-term in this stock? Gemini can outline idea frameworks. You should verify assumptions and, if possible, backtest before acting. When deciding between options, try, compare Apple versus Microsoft stock performance. Ask Gemini to include performance, valuation, and risk factors to see strengths and trade-offs side by side. A reliable prompt format is analyze stock with trend, key levels, risks, and future outlook. And finally, remember, Gemini is not a financial advisor. Always double-check data and treat it as a research companion, not a final decision maker.